Junglefy's philosophy as a business is to realise and investigate and research the real potential of plants. And the breathing wall has come about from realising that living infrastructure needs to be functional as well as look aesthetically pleasing.
The breathing wall was an idea that came directly from Jock at Junglefy. What it basically is normal indoor plants grown vertically in one big common substrate. What that does functionally is it concentrates the plants into a much smaller footprint. Secondly, Jock uses a fan to suck polluted indoor air through the potting mix, the substrate, and out back through the plant leaves. That removes the pollution. The first thing we tested the system for was carbon dioxide removal. The Junglefy Breathing Wall is currently removing carbon dioxide at the highest rate of any plant system published in the literature. The second thing we tested it for was volatile organic compounds.
VOCs are one of the key contributors to what's called sick building syndrome, so things that make their occupants sick or tired.
Volatile organics, we predicted the system would work really effectively, so it removed something like 1.5 times the quantity of volatile organics that pot plants removes.
We also looked at noise reduction, especially in open plan offices. A lot of research done that it actually caused a lot of stress for people.
Finally, we decided to test it for the removal of particulate matter. Particulate matter is the urban pollutant of most concern. It kills most people, but it's very hard to test. So what we did was we generated diesel smoke and sent it through this fan force system through the wall, and once again found it removed the diesel smoke with extremely high efficiency. And that was research that had never been done before by any plant-based system.
When we put the module in the chamber, we got to watch the particulate matter being drawn down really quickly over the space of 12 minutes. And in the end, the actual air in the chamber was cleaner than the air inside the lab. And we were really enthused by that and knew that we were on the right track.
Currently, the system is removing particulate matter at about the same rate as an air conditioning system. With air conditioning systems, it takes energy, it has huge maintenance costs. We've now got a plant-based system that works just as well for particulate matter and far, far better for volatile organics and carbon dioxide, with no maintenance costs for new filters, no chemical pollution, much more sustainable.
We've just installed our first large-scale breathing wall at Lendlease's head office at Barangaroo. I mean, it obviously provides something fantastic to look at, but for the well-being of their staff to have 4,500 plants, will actually go to producing a much happier, healthier working environment, increased productivity, reduced absenteeism, and numerous other benefits that breathing wall can provide. The first few years of research that we've done have really only began to scratch the surface of what actually plants can do, both in the indoor environment but also in the outdoor environment. There's a concept or term referred to as biophilia, which is a human's innate good feeling around plants. So it's very important to have plants around us.
We believe that with some development, we can make this system more efficient than an air conditioning system for removing all forms of air pollution, and also the best green wall of its type in the world.
We're really excited at Junglefy to be involved in this research in the living infrastructure field and leading the industry, because we feel that what we're doing is actually going to be better for us as humans and making our cities more livable.